A little while back, I showed you how to build a premium UI animation in CapCut, and a lot of you asked for more, so here we go. In this one, you're building a stripe balance card with a live rolling counter, the kind of app-style animation you see in proper tech and finance videos. If you've ever wanted your edits to look like they came out of a real design studio, this is the stuff that does it. Clean interface graphics that most people assume you need After Effects for. And by the end, you'll be able to build yourself and reuse them in any edits. I'm Dina, and I'm here to help you master CapCut the easy way. Let's jump in. Start with a white background, then add a stripe logo. Resize it and make it smaller, around 20% should be fine. Duplicate it, go to the bottom layer, go to Adjustment, Curve, and pull down the top right on the Luma curve. Then scroll down to the blue curve and scroll the top right down as well. So now this layer is black. Add 2 blur effects on it and max out the blur. Then go to Video, Basic, Blend, and turn the opacity down to 40-50%. Perfect. Now create a compound clip. That bottom layer we just darkened and blurred, that's your shadow. It's a tiny detail, but it's the thing that makes the logo actually sit on the card instead of floating on top of it. Now add a transform keyframe at the beginning of this layer. Move ahead 15 frames and add another transform keyframe. Go back to the first one. Just press this button here and reduce the scale to 0. Press Option plus K on the keyboard. Highlight both keyframes and apply a 𝗙𝗥𝗘𝗏 preset. Close the keyframe animator, Option plus K again. Perfect. Move ahead 20 frames and move the logo to the left. Press Option plus K again. Highlight the keyframes on the X and apply 𝗙𝗥𝗘𝗏𝗏. Brilliant. Close it with Option plus K. Move ahead 30 frames, reduce the scale to around 40% and move it down. Make sure you only move it on the Y-axis. Now press Option plus K again, open the curve animator, highlight the last 2 keyframes and apply a rebound in preset. Brilliant. Don't overthink the numbers here. The frame counts are giving you smooth timing, but once you've done it a couple of times, you'll start feeling where the movement should land. Quick one before we carry on. If you want free assets to use in your edits right now, there's a free creator starter pack at 𝗙𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏. You get horizontal mats, social media mats, outline frames, and an Apple log to 𝗪𝗧𝗏 109 lot, and 15 CapCut effect tutorials. Each one is under a minute and designed to create the kind of scroll-stopping visual hooks that make people stop and watch. All free. Links in the description. Right, so add a rectangle shape, resize it to a circle by changing the corner radius and make it as big as the stripe icon. Place it above it and make it the same color as the logo. To make it the same color as the logo, you just go to color and pick this color picker button, and then just go to the logo and just pick the purple color. That's it. Add a transform and corner radius keyframe. Move ahead 30 frames and resize it. Make it a rectangle and change the corner radius to around 30. Make the rectangle big enough that it goes a bit bigger where the stripe logo ends when it drops down, so the logo sits in the bottom right corner of the rectangle. Just like that. Perfect. Press Option plus K, highlight the keyframes on the X, width and height, and apply the 𝗙𝗥𝗘𝗏𝗏 preset. Now duplicate it, create a compound clip from the bottom, go to Adjust, Curve, and pull down the top right corner on the Luma curve and add a blur twice and max it out. Go to Video, Basic, Blend, and change the opacity to 40-50%. Fantastic. Duplicate the bottom rectangle layer again, turn off Fill, turn on Stroke, set it to dark purple. I'm using 4E0090 and change the weight to 1. Create a compound clip from it. Go to Mask, add a split mask, and at the beginning add a rotation keyframe. Move to the end of the layer and change the rotation to 4500. Basically, the bigger the number, the faster the rotation will be. That rotating outline is the bit that quietly sells the whole thing. It's subtle, but it's the difference between a static card and one that feels alive. Now for the counter. This is the part people usually don't realize you can do. Instead of manually typing out 100 numbers, you're getting the file built for you and just dropping it straight in. Go to Claude and type this prompt in. Once you get the SRT file, go to Text, Local Captions and import it, and then add it to your timeline. Make the 10,000 dark purple. I'm using 4E0097 and make it longer than the rest. Change the font and size it up. If you want to do mass editing, keep the Apply to All main captions box ticked. And when you just want to edit one, for example the dark purple one, turn it off and highlight that text layer you want to change, and then you can just change the color and it will affect only that specific layer. Brilliant. Once you're done with the settings, place it where you want it and create a compound clip from all layers. Add a glow to effect with these settings, glow 70, size 20. Then go to speed and speed it up a little, about 2, 2.5, 2.2 should be fine. When it gets to 10,000, cut it and apply a fade in animation to the 10,000 part. Fantastic. Add 3 text layers, change the font and size, leave them on white. Write a $, write a stripe balance, and then write total revenue. Brilliant. Place the $sign in front of the rolling counter, place the stripe balance text layer on top of the counter, and the total revenue under the counter. Just like that. Brilliant. Cut all the text layers where the 10,000 starts and change the second part to purple. Create a compound clip from the first 3 and the second 3 separately, and add a glow to both compound clips. Set it to 70 and 20. On the second compound clip, apply the fade in animation like you just did before. Fantastic. Highlight all layers apart from the background and create a compound clip. Go to the beginning of the clip and add a transform keyframe. Go back 30 keyframes and add another transform keyframe. On the second keyframe, at the end of the layer, change the scale from 100 to 50% and move it down until it's out of frame completely. Now press Option plus K, which will open the curve animator, and on scale, apply the rebounding preset on both scale and Y position. Then add your sound effects. You're done. If you want everything in one place, the Creator Asset Pack has lots: motion graphics, motion backgrounds, overlays and sound effects, all built to work together and designed to speed up your entire workflow. Links in the description. If this video was useful, a like and a subscribe means a lot. It helps us know we're making the right stuff. Now go create something awesome, and I'll see you in the next one.